Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. I want to introduce to you brand new Boston Whaler 350 Outrage. This has been an awesome boat for Boston Whaler. This thing is ideal. If you want to run to the Bahamas, go down to the Keys, run 40, 50, 60 miles offshore. So what we're going to do, we're going to kind of go through the boat. I'm going to point out some of the options on this boat and some of the real cool features as well. As you can see, it's got the big 350s. These are in the optional white. This is joystick piloting. You can work each engine against each other. Basically, you can walk the boat sideways. Incorporated with the joystick docking is autopilot and skyhook, which we'll get into in just a little bit. As you can see, very high sides, very cool dive door right here, which you'll see from the inside. Oversized hardtop, big trim tabs, underwater lights, just a beautiful boat. So what they've done with this boat is made it, the true fisherman's dream. Tons of storage right here, big recirculating bait wells, room for lures, knives, rigging, things along that line. We do have our big dive door here. So if you're an avid diver, or even if it makes it easier to get on and off the boat at marinas, that's very convenient. Big recirculating bait well in the back. And as you can see, these are our big Mercs back here. This seat is folds out of the way. Recessed rod racks on both sides. On the starboard side. And also gives you raw water and fresh water. Here at the helm, super comfortable. You can have 3 people up here. You've got storage up here, storage there. Plenty of room here at the dash to put in as much electronics as you'd like to. This is going to be our joystick docking right here with skyhook. This is where we crank our motors. Digital throttle and shift, of course. And this right here can fold up. So if you want a little bit more visibility, you can have this in the down position. Works out very well. Heavy duty hardware all the way around, as you can see on this door. In here we probably have 8-foot headroom all the way around. All the cabinetry is very nice, very easy to maintain with your head right here. As we move forward, lots and lots of room. So this is a great fishing boat, but also a great family boat. So this drops down, makes it to a huge sun pad. Of course, you can take it off if you want to. And like the 33 and the 28, this is what I really like about the boat, is all the storage you get. So inside here, kind of call this the garage, dedicated rod storage, tons and tons of room to put everything. Watertight. This one does have your upgraded sound system, GL audio, lots of speakers, lots of subwoofers. We do have full windshield right here, also on the sides, so you don't have to mess with your eyes and glass and canvas and things like that. So anyways, very nice boat. To recap, 2018 Boston Whaler 350 Outrage. My name's Jeremy Bradshaw. Boat's located here at MarineMax in Venice. If you'd like to swing by and take a look, feel free to give us a call. Our number here is 941-485-3388. Thank you again for taking the time, and we hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.